Okay, pick out a snowflake. What's the name of that letter?
G.
G. What sound does it make?
G.
G or J. In this one, it's G. Everyone find the G. Do not touch it. Point with your finger. Do not color it. What is that a picture of that goes G?
A guitar.
Guitar. Clap it with your fingers. Ready? Guitar. Clap again.
Guitar.
How many syllables?
Two.
So that means we're not going to stretch it. You may color it. Good
A G
job.
and a R.
No, a R's at the end. That's right. A G. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button below. It's easy and free. Remember, teach magically.